What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be cooking with HelloFresh. For those of you who do not know what HelloFresh is, it's a company that delivers fresh ingredients straight to your door, helps you save time. You don't have to worry about going to the grocery store, and most of the recipes are from 20 to 30 minutes, which is amazing because sometimes that's all you have. And you can choose between different recipes that they will send you. For example, this week we went ahead and got these three, but George and I decided that today we're going to try the chicken over garlic parmesan spaghetti. So we cannot wait to cook this up and give it a try. Also, I did want to go ahead and mention that we do have a discount code with them. It is Olga90, and you guys can get $90 off in your first 5 boxes. This is honestly so cool because they send you everything that you need. Let me get the one that we're going to be cooking. So this is the one that we're going to be cooking. This is what it's supposed to look like. They send you everything that you need. They send you like the tomato, the garlic, the seasoning, the chicken, everything. And then the best part is that in the back, they give you instructions on how everything is going to be cooked. And they have pictures, which is amazing. Right here is the ingredients that they sent over. And then you can choose. Today I'm going to be cooking the one for 2 persons, so just for George and I. So I did already chop up the tomatoes. I'm going to put the garlic and all that stuff to cook. And here is the chicken. The thing that I love the most about them is that there's something for everybody, including like a low calorie, people who are vegetarian. It's very like family friendly recipes every single week. That way you guys have options to choose from. We have this one right here. Probably try that one tomorrow. And then we have the turkey flautas supreme, which look so delicious as well. But like I said, tonight we are going with the pasta. Okay, so I already boiled my pasta. Also, I have my tomato slices right here and my garlic. I went ahead and seasoned them with some salt, some pepper, and some, I believe that that's called Tuscan heat spice. So this is what they went ahead and sent. You guys can see the HelloFresh logo right there. And I put some on there. I'm just gonna put this into the oven. I already preheated it, so let's do that. So this is what the chicken is looking like. You're supposed to cook it about like 3 to 5 minutes on each side. But I like my chicken crispy. And we have George that's going to try it. Are you excited?
I'm excited. It actually looks pretty good.
So I went ahead and made the sauce, and it's amazing because it tells you exactly what you need for the sauce. But I already went ahead and put my pasta there. I can probably turn it off now. And it smells so bomb. Okay, so this is what the pastas look like. They smell delicious. So I'm gonna get George over here so we can both try it at the same time. This is what they look like. It smells delicious, huh? That's yours. Get down so you can.
Oh, sorry, I'm a little tall.
So
let's try it out.
It's hot though.
The chicken is freaking bomb.
Okay, so George is playing video games, so he's eating it over there, but it is actually really delicious. The chicken has like a little kick to it. I like it. This pasta is so bomb. If you guys follow me on Instagram or YouTube, you guys know that I personally like to cook, but recently I've been running out of ideas. I haven't been able to like figure out what I like. I've been getting tired of my own recipes. So HelloFresh is definitely hooking it up, making it easy for me to be able to come up with new things. And they are so bomb. So on the screen I am going to leave my code. Just remember, you guys can get $90 off your first 5 boxes. So make sure you guys do take advantage of that. And I'm going to continue enjoying my pasta. It is Tuesday and I'm finishing up getting ready because we are going to go to my friend's Friendsgiving. I was going to originally like wear a dress. I'm not too sure if I'm going to wear this or not, but I was going to wear a dress, but I ended up changing just because I want to feel a little bit more comfortable. It's cold outside, so I definitely, I think that's Sebastian crying, want to wear something more cozy. We're about to leave because we're already running late. I'm supposed to help her cook some stuff. And by the way, you guys are forever gonna see me with this hair because I cannot do anything else anymore. Oh, Sebastian. Let me look at Sebastian. Oh my god, so it was a mess to get out of the house right now because Sebastian is not happy. He just woke up from a nap and he is not in the best mood. So right now George got off at Save Mart to get some stuff that we need, and he wanted to get off with him, so hopefully it'll like distract his mind and he'll be in a better mood. What? 160. Competition, you guys.
Yeah, it's growing, bro. It's not a shower, it's a grower.
Sebastian! Wow, qué bonito!
Danny got a technique. Gotta bite the tip. Go home, bro.
George, yours is not going anywhere. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. God damn. Fire. Hey, this is perfect.
How'd you know, bro?
Right here, baby.
Good combo.
We're meant to be, babe. Hello guys, so it is the next day from my Friendsgiving, if that makes sense, but I didn't get to vlog a whole lot yesterday just because there was a lot of people there and I didn't want to just like pull out a camera in their faces and they'd be like, what the hell is this lady doing, you know? So I didn't want to go ahead and do that, but it is the next day. I'm currently cleaning because I obviously got back from George's parents' house on the weekend and I still haven't like fully unpacked. Yesterday when we got ready we made a mess, so I've been cleaning. I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been doing, that way you guys can come along with like my cleaning process and what I do to keep my house clean. Let me know if you guys clean on a daily basis, because I personally like to have my house spotless on a daily basis. Even if there's days that I go the whole day like being lazy, I make sure that before I go to bed I clean, that way I don't wake up to a mess the next day. But let me show you guys what I've done so far. Okay, so far I've organized George's room. I fixed his jackets, I hung some of the shirts that I had just washed, his jeans. Those are my shoes because there is some of my stuff over there in that corner. But this is mainly George's closet. I did go ahead and vacuum. I know a lot of people ask me like what I use, but it doesn't have to be like any specific vacuum. It's just the way that I vacuum, that I do it into triangles, which I absolutely love because it looks so clean. I cleaned the toilet. Go ahead and turn this off. And I swept, mopped, cleaned my shower and all that, and it's super clean. So now we gotta move on to my bedroom because it is disgusting. Obviously we slept here, but I haven't made my bed, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now, and you guys will obviously see that transform. Also, let me know where I can get some good quality pictures to hang up there, because I've done a lot of photo shoots obviously with the one and only Margarita Photography, but I haven't officially like put any frames around my house, so that's something that I definitely want to do so it doesn't look too empty. But I do want to put pictures of George and I here, and then my living room I do want to add pictures obviously with Sebastian. But give me ideas on what to put up there because I do need more. I do need a mirror, like a long mirror, probably here. We just don't have much in our room and I kind of like it. Less is more for me, but I do want to put some frames up there, so let me know. Funny thing is, this is how clean my room looks, and then you walk out the door and this is what it looks like. But let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be really quiet because Sebastian's sleeping. His room's not really dirty. I just have to vacuum it when he wakes up. But he's taking a nap. Look at my baby. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, so Sebastian was sleeping, so I didn't want to wake him up. I don't know if you guys heard me or not, but I just have to go in there and vacuum. But I'll do that once he wakes up from his nap. But my beauty room is a little bit of a mess. Not too bad, but I do have clothes everywhere. So this is my suitcase. This is so funny because all you see is freaking black clothes because that's all George and I wear. And yeah, just like a mess here and there, but nothing too bad. So let's go ahead and clean this. Also, I'm so obsessed with my balloons. I have been up since June, which is so freaking crazy, but I am supposed to be getting new balloons from them. So I don't know, I'm kind of sad to get rid of these because I love these so much. But alrighty, let's get to cleaning. So his bed is so easy to make. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum this. So that's Sebastian all cleaned up, his bed, everything, his little boots, his books. These are so freaking cute. Like, look, these are the boots that fit Sebastian when he was like first born or a couple months. They're so freaking tiny, and he has so many of these. Like, he probably has like maybe 6 pairs, I want to say. And then these are his newest ones. There's some like boots, but they're obviously too big. But yeah, these are the newest ones that he has. So freaking cute. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and vacuum this room. Do you guys see how Sebastian's room has way better lighting than mine? Because when we first moved in here, we installed lights here, and I thought I wouldn't need mine because I was like, oh no, it's fine. I'm gonna have my ring light, that, and that, because I was planning on getting that. But that's what's next. We're gonna go ahead and put lights. Hopefully when we go and put the electricity lights for the apartment, we can put lights in here because I do need them. I for sure need them here. Okay, and there you guys have it. Ooh, I'm missing some boots there. But you guys, my beauty room is pretty much clean. So now we're gonna move on to that room. That room is obviously our guest room, but I was washing sheets, putting new pillowcases and all that stuff. So we're gonna get to that room next. I actually cleaned my shower as well. I went ahead and put this that I bought at Ross, this candle. It smells delicious. And I just added some white flowers. And yeah, I'm so tired. Ugh. But yeah, on to the guest room. And don't mind this, it looks like this because I take trash out of every single room and then I clean that way. With the sheets, I also bought new pillows because it was bothering me that it only had 2 when I personally like having hella pillows. I also need to eventually decorate this room, probably put like a pretty frame up there, like a painting, get some side tables. This one was here because my dad ate here last time that he stayed here, but I kind of left it there, that way if somebody stays they can just put their stuff there. Meanwhile, I'll get a little table and probably like a mirror here for anybody that stays, that way they can get ready. But I'm so happy that I finally bought new pillows. My comforter's still washing. I'm so out of breath. Yeah, so it's still washing. But yeah, I love that we decided to do a king bed for this room, because that way anybody who stays over can enjoy themselves, you know, and if they have kids, whatever, they can all sleep here. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, so I went ahead and added a couple more pillows. I'm not sure if I want to flip those other ones. I feel like I do. We'll see. But for now, this is what it looks like. It's clean. I am officially done. I actually went grocery shopping with George, so I did stop cleaning like halfway, but luckily like the kitchen and the living room were not too messy, just because it was only like for me making breakfast and I left some stuff out. I just had to put that away, and thankfully George actually helped me clean up and put groceries away, which was so good. So I'm so tired. I'm probably gonna get in the shower, get some rest. But this was just a short video of me obviously cooking at the beginning and then cleaning. But let me know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see more like the cooking, the cleaning, any of that stuff, just let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and don't forget to go on hellofresh.com and use my discount code. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys all on my next video. Bye.